Subscribe to KITOONS and let the never-ending fun begin.
Cry baby magic tears. The world of friendship and magic adventures. Cry babies.
Those are the fruit the fantasy eat. I want some of those strawberries.
Oh.
Tutti Frutti! Why did they bring us here?
You ate the whole harvest.
Uh-oh.
Welcome to Tutti Frutti Bay. Yeah.
Oh. Discovering Tutti Frutti Bay, Part 2. Ooh, you look perfect for a picture.
Help! They took the babies.
What happened, lady?
We were eating gigantic fruit that smelled delicious, but all of a sudden, we saw little colorful monsters speaking a strange language and gigantic fruits?
Colorful monsters? Strange language? I want to rescue the babies. GPS is on. Me too. Count on me.
We went by a jam jar and everything smelled delicious.
Oh, smells so good. Hashtag fruits smell good.
Wow! Don't move. The little monsters might be anywhere. It was this way. No. This way. Wow! Awesome!
Huh? What was that? It's them! Strange babies are making them carry the fruit. Ooh! What a delicious orange juice.
They're having a bad time. They're giving them orders.
We have to rescue them.
And if we get caught?
I know. We'll wear disguise.
I can't smell my perfume with so much fruit scent. Babies, look, I have my costume.
I love your look. It smells delicious. Rim found a trace.
I control the Tasty Factory. I'll make 100 grapefruit gummy candies. Oh no, I said it for 1,000,000 gummy candies. We'll have to eat them. Ow! Hey, who are you? What's a mirror doing here?
Ah! I knew it. There are more babies.
This is the end.
Don't worry, they're our friends.
We thought that you had been kidnapped.
It feels so good to be all together.
What a wonderful tear.
Magic tears! Jelly!
It's a lie. Careful.
Don't worry. They're a bit naughty, but they're not dangerous. The jellies are the foundation of our world. Without them, we wouldn't have fruits so big and juicy.
Wow.
It looks like they want to show us Tutti Frutti Bay. We squeeze the fruit in our Tasty Factory, and it goes to our lake. And the juice will have different colors depending on which fruit it is. Whoa! And now the Tasty Factory. This is the mixing pool. What a rhythm! Hey, those are some pretty molds.
I love them.
Hi, I'm Angie. In this zone, you may drink smoothies, milkshakes. Do you have banana with melon and orange?
Of course. If you can imagine it, then you can mix it.
It's Tutti Frutti Bay. I knew it. It's delicious. This is definitely the best vacation of my life. I
finally found you!
You already know about Tutti Frutti Bay?
Yup, we know all the corners of the world. And thanks to the spyglass, we guard and take care of them.
So, are there other cool corners like this?
Of course, and each one has its own special magic tier.
And can you take us there?
It's better that you discover them little by little.
Besides that, you first have to show me how to make pretzels with your hands.
Cry babies, magic tears. The world of friendship and magic adventures. Cry babies.
The best pet.
Yeah! Come, kitty. Get it. Oh.
My pet is more agile. You'll see.
Oh, it's so cute.
At home, she does it.
Hey, girls. How are your pets?
Well, so-so.
We saw you from above. Well, Dee Dee saw you and she told us everything. Hi, Dee Dee! And we came down to help you because our pets are very agile. You'll see.
Okay, go. At the count of 3, 1, 2, Fantasy Tower! No! Not like that!
Now we're going to get strong and agile. And for that, we need to train hard, have discipline, and maintain order. Hey, wait!
Hey, careful! Not like that! It's a training course!
Cut it out and let's train. Like I was saying, we need to be consistent. Let's start with the rolling logs. Come, Brew, go ahead. Very good. Very good. Ooh, very bad.
Go, Kitty. You can do it! Champion, show them you're the best pet in the world!
Second trial, the great dartboard.
Ready, Lenny? Go! Oh, sorry. Our turn. Come on. You're the best.
Third trial, the giant balls.
Come on, Nady. You can do it. Come on, Kitty. Show them all that you're the greatest pet in the world. Come on, Kitty. Well done, Kitty.
And let's not forget the crazy meal.
Come on, you can do it.
Faster.
No, not like that. Let's go. Oh, what a letdown. Come on, Kitty. Let's go for it. Have you seen? No! Let time stop. Let time continue.
Don't you think we overdid it?
I think so. I'm sorry, Kitty. Are you okay?
Oh.
We're very sorry. Magic tear! Wow! So cool! That's amazing! Whoa! Wow!
And now it's your turn. I haven't forgotten about you. Get to training.
Cry babies, magic tears. The world of friendship and magic everywhere. Cry babies.
Good night, Connie. Pajama party. Do you want to come to my pajama party? Sure. Huh?
Pajama party, I'll go. I am in. I wouldn't miss it for anything. I am going. I'll be there. Great.
Bring your best pajamas. I'll wear my favorite one. Let's go. Wait, Lolly, you can place the garlands. Lenny, you will set up the photo call, okay? Lulu, you will make some necklaces for everyone as a welcome gift. Cutie, you'll be in charge of the cakes as soon as you finish checking if the pillows are soft enough for the pillow fight. I think it's okay, huh? In the meantime, I'll go look for Sasha to see if she wants to come to the party. Sasha, you're invited to my pajama party. I'll wear my best one.
Well, I have to paint the whole house. If I finish soon, I'll join you.
Great, see you.
No! Not under the stairs. It's bad luck.
Bah. There's no such thing as bad luck. See? Nothing happened. And again. And look. Bad luck, she says.
I hope your party doesn't get ruined.
Yeah, sure. Just because I walked under a staircase, it won't ruin my party. Wow, so cool! Everything is beautiful. Oh no, what a disaster. It's okay. We have time to fix it before the others arrive.
Surprise! We came a little earlier. We couldn't wait. Can we see your pajamas, please?
Now I will go put it on. You'll be amazed. Babies!
Wow!
And now another surprise. Let's start with the photo call. Take a good shot.
That's bad luck, Connie. You look a little special?
Not bad luck. What's next? Box with a surprise.
How pretty! Necklaces! And the stickers! I love this! These look like the fantasies. There's only one left. Shall we share?
Don't worry, I can do more. Show me your hands.
Wow! Let's dance! Bad luck.
It's not bad luck.
What staircase? Bad luck? Sasha, what's wrong?
Nothing. That's nonsense. Now, let's start scary storytelling.
The baby opened the door and the baby bottle was empty! No! Oh, Connie, you have really bad luck.
Okay. It's bad luck. I walked under a staircase and Sasha told me it would bring me bad luck and ruin the party. But I didn't listen to her and now everything is going wrong.
Hey, I know a way to get rid of the bad luck. You have to jump on one leg backwards while saying, "Bad luck, leave now."
That's it. Let's go to Sasha's.
Is the staircase inside the house?
Let's be quiet.
I hope it works. Bad luck, leave now. Bad luck, leave now,
What is happening?
I'm sorry, Sasha. You were right about the staircase. I have bad luck.
Bad luck? But it was just a joke. Look, nothing happens. We all have good and bad days. Hey, those are nice pajamas.
I wanted to use it for the party, but everything went wrong.
What? But I had a great time. Me too. It's been the best pajama party I ever been to.
And the first. It had everything. Storytelling, stickers, dance, trip, and awesome necklaces.
That's good luck, Connie.
Magic tears! Huh? Wow! Party.
Cry baby magic tears. The world of friendship and magic adventures. Cry babies.
Banana slip.
I hate when the fruit gets bad. It smells like used socks. Ow!
Whoa.
That hurts.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, but my bottom is not.
Magic tears! Jelly!
It was a funny fall, but you could have hurt yourself badly.
Well, someone doesn't know what a compost bin is. I suspect who that is.
Look, there's more. Let's follow the trail.
Yes, more banana peels. More close. Ouch! I knew it. You're the banana eater peel litterer.
Eater? Litterer? What? My name is Nana. You know that, Pia.
I fell down, and it's your fault. You have to be careful, or you'll cause more accidents.
Sorry. When I have a banana, I enjoy it so much that I forget everything else.
Nana, you can't be that spaced out. We must keep Tutti Frutti Bay clean.
But don't you think it's prettier like this? The jellies seem to enjoy it. Well, babies, I'm going to have my snack.
Is this possible? Tutti Frutti Bay as my witness. I won't allow another peel to cause an accident again. Ouch!
Love it. And ice cream? Yeah, banana ice cream.
I'll get it. I'll get
Oh, banana juice. Delicious.
Ooh.
Yeah. It's delicious. Look, Tina, try it.
Hi, babies. I'm tired of all these peels.
Oh.
Is she only eating bananas?
No more trouble. I see the future in my ball. Nana will learn a lesson before another fall.
And when is the future? 'Cause the present has got me beat.
The future is already here with an unprecedented fear.
Nana, no! I told you 1,000 times that peels go in the compost bin.
Oh, I forgot.
Don't you realize that someone could slip?
You're exaggerating. I can't see anything. So tasty. How fast? I think she'll break the skating world record. Maybe we should help her.
No, she needs to learn a lesson.
Hi, Cloud. What's up? Is that a bird or a plane? It's Nana. Oops, sorry. Careful. I'll hit you.
Well, I think she's learned the lesson.
Very good. I'll solve this in a snap. Whoa. The ice cream is slippery as well. Save! Sorry, Pia. I won't litter peels anymore. I'll remember this time for sure. It's dangerous. Look, Pia. You'll be surprised. I slipped on peels so much that I became an expert skater. Whoa! Wow, what a style, Tina! Hannah, raise those legs. Whoever does it best will get an award. These little bananas. And when you finish skating, you know where the peels go. To the compost bin.
Cry babies, cry baby magic tears. The world of friendship and magic adventures. Cry babies.
The jelly's living tears. It smells so good here. And the cry juices are so good. Another one.
It's just that, there are no more.
What?
You drank them all.
How is it that there are no more cry juice in Tutti Frutti Bay? It's like running out of bottles in Bottle Valley.
What?
Ow!
But don't worry, Connie. We can make more.
Really?
Wow.
At the Tasty Factory? And could we see the mixing vats? Of course. Yay! We want to know everything. Oh, yes!
Oh.
Go ahead. This is the disinfectant door. Cleaning time. Wow. That's the dome. Wow. That's the fruit control screen.
Wow.
And this? It's the exquisite smell of fruit.
Wow.
Follow me. Hey, someone should clean that.
Wow.
Ow! Aye! But wait, it gets better.
The mixing vat.
Let's see.
Yes, I want to see it better. And, does it work with any fruit?
Don't the fruits get dizzy? Can I take it home?
Yes. No. And of course not. Let's make cry juice.
First, we need to decide what to make the juice from. From banana.
No, blackberry.
No, apples. No, banana. Apple.
Blackberries. What if we mix them all together?
Wait, the juices come out better with the fruit song. First the banana to have a better week. Then the blackberry, always tasty and sweet. The apple in the morning is not a hit of boring. Mix them all together, cry juices forever. Again. First the banana to have a better week. Then the blackberry, always tasty and sweet. The apple in the morning is not a hit of boring. Mix them all together, cry juices forever. Yeah, ready! Now let's mix it. Can I do it?
But of course.
Let's try it. It tastes like clouds of jelly beans.
And a rainbow of caramel.
It's delicious.
It's fantastic. I'm so excited. I'm going to cry.
Magic tears, jelly.
Oh, we're crying jellies too.
So cool. Very cool. No, jellies at the Tasty Factory.
They are super cute. Super cute? The jellies are very naughty.
That's why we don't let them go inside the Tasty Factory.
Ow! Ow! I got you! Hey, come back here!
No, leave that fruit there. Give me that fruit. For the love of Tutti Frutti Bay, come back here. I got it. Nana, Ella, get the gelatin cannon. Yeah!
Let's go! It's working.
Take it. Luckily, it could have been worse. Now, we have to take them out. Come on, babies. Push it. Come on. No, don't do that. No, stop.
Stop the jellies!
Wait.
Oh? Huh? Hey!
That way. Come back here. Ow! Leave it. Hey.
Oh. They're escaping to the valley.
No, not that way.
Huh?
Oh, no.
What happened? What happened?
We have a problem.